beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing my Boxycharm for January. This is my first Boxycharm of 2019. This is crazy. I'm not going to even go through the whole spiel where I'm like, oh my god, because it's just crazy. Every time when I was pregnant and I would get a Boxycharm, I'd be like, 3 more boxes until Jade's here, 5 more boxes until Jade's here, 2 more boxes until Jade's here, and boom, my baby's here. So every time I see Boxycharm, I kind of like get even more excited because it reminds me of going through the pregnancy with the Boxycharm. So the box says Boxy and Chill. Open it and then I see the goodies in here. Okay, first off, I'm just gonna say the eyeshadow palette, I already have a feeling that I'm not gonna be able to play with it. I'm just like, so this is a Tarte's Rainforest of the Sea Vol.III. We did get a Rainforest of the Sea palette in a previous Boxycharm. Okay, so this is a Tarte limited edition Rainforest of the Sea highlighting and eyeshadow palette Vol.III, and this goes for $36. The packaging is freaking pretty. Okay, I think I could create something. They don't look that light. On some videos I was watching, I was like, damn, that is light. But now looking at it, it's like, those are shades that you play with all the time, you know? So I think I could definitely get away with it. I can even probably use this one as a highlight. I'm just gonna swatch it right now. Yeah, I definitely can use that as a highlight. Like, come on. Hello. Yeah, that for sure. Oh my god, that is pretty. That one is Compass. Okay, I can see why I said highlighting. And that was pigmented. It was just like one and done. Boom. All right. Here are all of them swatched. They are very, very pretty, but I'll have to use another palette, and for sure I'm going to use this shade as my highlight. Okay, it's okay. I don't hate it, but I'm not like that, you know, that look. Next, we got the Smith & Cult, the Tinted Lip Stained, and this one is $24. And I got Sweet Suit. Okay. Hopefully it's a nude. Please be a nude. Please be a nude. Ooh, packaging. Okay, I did see a few people complain about the dents in the packaging, but I guess that's part of the packaging, and I was like, hey, that's pretty cool. Like, you know, we always expect packaging to be like super duper perfect, but then to have like a company come out with something that's like, hey, not everything's perfect. It's like cute, but I can see why people are like, UPS got me fucked up. They threw my package, you know? So when I was reading the comments, I was like, oh, okay, that's how it's supposed to come. Let's see. Oh, it's a... That smells good. It's a pink. Let's see. It's just... I'm just gonna put it on top of what I got. Ooh, that feels pretty good. It's a coral color, and I feel like I can't really pull off coral. But if I'm wearing a brown lippy, kind of like what I'm wearing right now, or like a mauve, I feel like, okay, I'm safe. I'm safe, you know? Really nice. I like that. Oh, you can like see the coral peep through, like, hey, what's happening? Nice. So that is really cool. And I've never tried their products before, so that's even a bonus. So now I can be like, I tried that. Okay, the next we have the Don't Despair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. I did see people were upset that we got this because we got in a leave-in conditioner before, and people were like, hey, we've already got this before, but this is the Strength and Moist Leave-In Mask. And I'm not mad at it, especially because I feel like hair is really important too. Like, we gotta keep it nice, we gotta keep it looking good, we gotta keep it looking healthy, because that's something else that people look at when they look at us. That's the first thing they kind of judge is like, ew, is their hair looking crusty? Is their hair looking dull? So that's pretty cool that we did get this in here. And this one goes for $16, which is pretty cool. I'm glad we got it in here. Next thing we got in here is STARLOOKS, and this one is an eye pencil, a Luxe LongWear eye pencil. This one goes for $19. And let's see the pigmentation. Ooh, it's a brown. Damn, that's pretty. That is pretty. And last but not least, this is what I'm super duper freaking excited about, is the TATCHA Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. I have tried these before, so I'm so freaking excited to have it too. Okay, I love TATCHA skincare. It is amazing. Let me. Where's my? That's my skincare drawer. I love the TATCHA Supple Moisture Rich Silk Cream. You guys can find this on Sephora. I believe it's Sephora, right? You can find this on Sephora, but I found this one at TJ for like 10 bucks cheaper. So look at TJ Maxx. I am obsessed with that. A little bit goes such a long way and it leaves your skin feeling so nice. I love it. I love it. And the TATCHA mask. You guys know I love skincare. I am huge on skincare. I feel like skincare is more important than makeup, because if your skin is not looking fresh, then the makeup is not gonna look the best. That sounded so cool. That sounded, oh, nice. By Alexis Jayda. That sounded nice. That really sounded nice. Okay, so this one is, these go for $24. This is nice. I feel like this is, yes, this is really good. I'm so glad we got TATCHA in here. So hopefully you guys, future boxes, we get more TATCHA products. TATCHA, if you're watching, definitely do that. And I bet you anything, people are gonna be like, okay, I'm gonna go and shop for TATCHA. It's gonna, like, come on. Like, I bet you anything, people who already tried this mask out, they're probably hyped about the skincare products, like feeling their skin, and they're gonna go out shopping. So TATCHA, if you're watching for real, like, throw more products in Boxycharm, all right? Like, come on. It's really good, you guys. It's really good. I love skincare. Like, I get freaking hyped about the products. So that is everything in my Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoyed my Boxycharm unboxing. And if you're interested in signing up for your own Boxycharm box, I do have my own special link down below. If you use it, I do receive commission, but you do not have to use it. But if you do, thank you so much. Thinking with you. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys got in your Boxycharm box. I am nosy. I'm a chismosa. I want to know what you got. I want to see. All right. What'd you get? I want to know. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed once again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.